another day of our 43-foot pondless waterfall build. I'll do a quick walkthrough with you. We've got a new load of rocks in. Always exciting. Over here you can see we stage our material. Some more rocks. We've got the basin in. Ready to go. Started our first 3 waterfalls, working our way up. And you can see Montana's up here walking on the Flagstone patio. It looks amazing. Looks really good for the space. So here we are, we're about to wrap up the build for this 43-foot pondless waterfall. Everything's going great, it's looking awesome. Gonna start on our edges as soon as we run some water through it. But we ran into one challenge, and that is this house is on a well, and it can only run water for about 15 minutes before the well starts to run out of water. So we've enlisted the help of our friends at Aqueduct to come and help us load this thing up with water in the basin and also wash this whole thing down. It's super filthy right now, so every new build we come in, wash it all down really good, make it look nice and clean, fill up the basin, test run it, then we can do our edges, and then we're back on track to finish this project.